Last week on Luckyfish, we introduced niece Zaya to cruising and began a beautiful journey along Florida's waterways. We're about to up anchor in a few minutes and continue our journey down the ICW towards Sarasota. But first, we ask everyone to say a huge thank you to our sponsor for today's show, you. Without patrons like you, these videos wouldn't be possible. Stay tuned everyone, at the end of this video we have a couple of important news items for you and a bonus recipe. And this waterway continues to amaze us, the incredible properties and just the beauty of the area as well, and it's pretty obvious the municipal authorities put a lot of effort into maintaining the waterway. Looking after some really luscious waterfront.
This is our dream house right here.
Well, it's actually difficult not to get excited by seeing just so much wealth and so much, opulent living. And of course we pass many boats and we wave to them, and it's really hard. Yeah, sure. Yeah, good idea. We're going to put the hatches down on the main cabin and the galley just so we can do pans around.
What is it? Utan baron June, non June.
Just been passing through little Sarasota. I don't know how to describe this really, but it's quite surreal. But it's very real for many Americans, and good luck to them. It's just so nice to be out on the water in a really relaxed environment with people who are manning the waterway, who are so totally welcoming of complete strangers. You know, they want to know who we are, they check out our boat and they say hi, and you call them up and nothing's a hassle. It's just a happy place to be. A whole lot of people on the water, all having fun. We really are being made to feel welcome. Okay, take two on the hydrogen. We've been running it. What are you laughing at? Take two on the hydrogen. We've been running it in a completely different set of circumstances. Ocean crossings are fine. You don't expect to encounter too many weed problems, but we've had seagrass issues. We ran the hydrogen up the ICW, and of course it was clogged with weed. Been a little bit more diligent unblocking it, and it hasn't taken a lot of effort, but there is a lot of seagrass on the ICW, and we've been getting great charge. We're now up to 75%. We've only been running the hydrogen for 3 hours. We've been motoring or steaming and sometimes motor sailing at 4 to 5 knots. You know, it's remarkable. Out of that, we've managed to put back sufficient capacity to run the fridge, freezer overnight, and certainly the chart plotter as well during the day. What do you think of the hydro generator, girls? Does it charge your iPhones and Samsung blah blah blahs?
Looks great. We're really happy with it. It's a God's blessing to have my phone charged up on while sailing.
What can I say? Marina Jacks, Marina Jacks. This is sailing vessel Luckyfish, channel 16.
Captain standing by for slip assignment. We're going to place you on H-Dock, the T-Head. Where your heading is right now, if you kind of still go to that little bit there towards your port up that north basin, you will see the T-Head right there off of your starboard side. Mark will be down there to assist you in. You can choose starboard or port side tie, whichever you like.
You're going to proceed forwards. On your right hand side, you're going to see a T-dock like that. Apart from the beautiful journey along the waterway, a big reason we came to Sarasota was the offer of the use of a mooring from Brandon and Danielle, who we'd met at the Hui. The least we could do was take Danielle out for a sail to say thanks.
That I guess. Rope Fulton Class 101. Instructor Danielle. Nicely done. Yay! Beautiful.
Wow.
It could be your new profile. Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Poor Brandon.
You know what's funny though? Is usually it's me picking up the dog and Brandon sailing, so I don't feel too bad. I
Yeah.
don't think there's any alcohol in that punch.
How's your day?
My day's been another fabulous day. What can I say? The winds are pretty light, but we had a
You know that tilt-a-whirl down on the South Beach drag. I got all that last night, my shirt got
I'm so happy right now. I can't describe it in words.
Hold on. Let me turn down this music.
I can't describe it in words. Like, it's so serene, calm, and relaxing. And just the experience I had on sailing is amazing. Today, Stuart, our captain, gave me a real sailing experience. We've been using motors in the past few days and
Through the channel.
through the channels because we had to use the motors. But today he took us to the ocean and gave us a proper sailing experience, and it was just breathtaking. It's so much better than using motors because it's so calm, and I don't know, I love the sailing experience. And I have to leave on Saturday, which is like tomorrow, and tomorrow night I have to leave, but I really don't want to leave, and it's just so nice.
So you sure you're gonna come back?
I really want to come back. Like I'm so looking forward to December when they go to Bahamas. Like, and although I am looking forward to that, I'm really like grateful that I had this experience in my life.
What are you doing up there? Doing something or modeling?
Bimini top dancing, honey. Look at that.
Dance with the pole.
There we go. Put the light on.
What's your name?
Z.
Z from
Alright.
Sarasota. Alright.
There you go.
Now we've been blown away by Florida. We've only just seen a little bit. We sailed in from Key West to Fort Myers.
Oh, I love you.
It's filming.
Subscribe.
It's cool.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like.
Hit the like button, man.
How to look 21 in America, starting now.
Okay.
Oh, what?
Stand up straight.
Stand up straight. Do you have to do it so publicly? This is the establishment that wouldn't allow us in. She's just gained 4 years. Look, she's gone from 21 to 25, just with a little bit of hairstyling from Zaya version 1.0. Now you can walk into any establishment and not have to show your ID. Thank you, Auntie Zaya.
Thank you.
Impulse.
Do you have your music on YouTube already?
I think we do.
United is the Vietnam.
What do you feel like?
I'm really sad. I don't want to leave this boat at all.
we're gonna miss you.
The steward's accent. Yes, yes. Bloody hell, bloody. I don't want to go back.
Nah, we're gonna miss you.
I can't wait for December when they go to Bahamas, when they can join.
Okay, now to the news. Firstly, YouTube are making it harder for you to watch your favourite channels.
So, to summarize, because I get asked this all the time. YouTube, do you notify all of my subscribers every single time I go live?
We don't notify all of your subscribers, right? We notify all of your subscribers who have rung the bell.
Did you just say you don't show all the subscribers?
Okay, so we try to notify the people who we believe would be most likely to tune in and watch your content.
That's right.
This is what we've been talking about for years. This is the evidence we always wanted. YouTube isn't actually pushing to all their subscribers. I knew it, guys. People are pretty pissed about this because people don't agree. First comment, could you just notify everyone at once, then let them decide?
Yeah, well, I'm with Proto Mario on that one, and thanks to PewDiePie for trying to keep them honest. So guys, subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already. Secondly, every week we publish extended versions of these videos with bonus and extended scenes. For as little as $5 per month, you can gain access to all previous and future videos via our Patreon channel. We are really close to becoming sustainable, guys, and this is our way of saying thank you to you for helping us get there. And now to that bonus recipe. It's called SUZIE'S cauliflower chicken, and the recipe is in the description. Zaya learned it from her sailing instructors back in South Africa, and it really is delicious. Thanks for watching, and see you all next week, if you click the bell.
This is the rum, punch rum made by Uncle Stuart. He makes the rum punch. He makes the best drinks, and I've like gained so much knowledge on alcoholic drinks, which is good.